refrigerator. We got it about 4 o'clock and plugged it in, and it wasn't getting cold. I mean, it was set for 36 degrees, but it wasn't getting cold. So right now, it's at 37 degrees on the back wall and 43 at the front. The freezer is at 8 degrees. So it's working. It's actually doing what it's supposed to do. It's a much nicer refrigerator than the last one we had. Than the last two we've had, actually. Probably better than the last 3. It's an LG. It's an Energy Star rated. One of the things that it says in the manual on it, which, you know, I like to read the manuals. It says that it takes 24 hours for all the areas inside the refrigerator to reach the right temperature. So we left it empty with all the food sitting down there in the ice chest. And now it's down to where the settings are. It's just about right. But it's definitely cold enough that I can go get some groceries and I can have milk on my cereal in the morning, something I've missed for 4 days.